Your point is an elephant.
Hello and welcome everyone to Little Core Off the Show. As you can see, I did have my mixed media book all set and ready, but I decided not to. I've just been so excited. I've been dying to share with you what I've been working on in terms of my, what is this? My memory keeper. Duh! Brain damage. So let me just take a seat here. Oh, let me fix this chair. And I'm super excited. Okay, so I just wanted to show you something really quick because I don't remember who asked me the question, but the big planner is the same size as the memory planner, and they have the same amount of rings. They come with the original rings. I think these are the same size as the classic. Don't quote me on that. But yeah, so, and then you would get the extended rings if you wanted to. But I already planned on getting my next memory planner. So I'm going to use this one up. And yeah, I'm super excited about it. I'm just like really stoked. I want the one. Let me just, everything's falling on me. Alright, so I'm going to move this over here. That's better. And yes, I kind of have a mess over here, but you know how that goes. You know how that goes. But yeah, I've got to clean it up. So yeah. So this one is called Happy Life. It's like the rose gold, black, white, pink, and gray. I made a few changes to it. If you guys saw my last video, it does come with some stickers. And these stickers here, put them on the side. And what was I gonna say? Okay, so I did make some changes. I haven't put my name on it, so that's something that I haven't done yet. And so that's something I haven't done. I actually put this folder, which was this dashboard, excuse me, what that was in the back, I put it in the front. I had watched this video and it was talking about the back pages of the MANBI planner, and I was just gonna leave them there, and then I really didn't want to leave them there, but then I saw a video, and I can't remember the video, and she was saying that you put them in the month so that, you know, you have the pictures. And I was like, you know, that makes a lot more sense to me. So I decided to, since I had such great memories of December 2017, I decided to put them in the front. And I used some of the dashboard as a place to hold my photos. And a lot of these photos you guys already seen, you know, on social media. So Instagram has it, every place, you know. Anyway, so basically these stickers all come from, like this one, this little journal sticker. I believe everything just comes from MANBI. The only MANBI stickers I don't use, like on my large planner, is my minis, because I find that the minis are way too small. That's one. And two, I don't know about you guys, but I've been finding it harder, for me anyways, to find my mini stickers, like at my local Michael's. So yeah, so anyway, so that's basically it. Some of these photos I actually use my sprocket, and this is my Merry Christmas one. So this one is of my family. This one, I saw a tree at Queens and I thought it was really pretty. So yeah, so this is my brother. These are my nieces and my nephews. I'm missing pictures of my other nieces and nephews. I didn't get a chance to see them during Christmas. And this particular page, actually, if you guys checked out my social media, follow me along, I got the MANBI, I forgot what they're called, cardstock, and they're pre-punched, and they're made for like the Happy Planner or for Project Life. I mean, not Project Life. I was thinking Project Life. What I managed to say was the Memory Keeper. So that's what I did, and this is some of the stuff. And yeah, so I really liked how this came out. I just used a lot of different stickers from our various packs. Like I said, I didn't use anything from the mini. So this is say a few stories. So this is January. Now January, okay, so let me back up a bit, because I feel like I'm kind of January. I did have a bunch of ideas for this spread right here. I was gonna print out my 2x2 photos, because apparently these are 2x2 whatchamacallits, but I decided not to. One, because I didn't have photo paper, and two, I really wasn't feeling up to it. Like I said, I think these are more designs, or happy to plan, this one right here. I know these are Geek Girls, and this is like Happy Mambi, Happy Mambi stickers. And this is a apple tree kit, and this one I believe is a, what is that? Fit to be planned or something like that, I forget. Anyways, so I decided to kind of use it as like a regular calendar. And then I'll show you, I'm just gonna do January, and then I'll do February next month. So this is my thing for January. As you can see, I don't really take a lot of photos, so I take, whatever photos I put up on social media, which I find interesting or fun. And then this one has this week, so basically loving planning, thankful for family, thinking of, don't know what I was thinking of, going out to eat. What was I wearing? Torrid, a lot of Torrid clothes that month, and excited for the new year. So this quote I got from one of the Mambi stickers, out with the old, in with the new. I thought that was pretty cool. I was gonna film all this, but it just wasn't working out. So some of these pictures are using my, this one is using my Picket, which I'm really disappointed with right now, because they ran out of paper, and I'm hoping and praying that it will. The only problem with the Picket is that it's not the exact size, so I had to use some of the Mambi punch, the big one, the pink one, to make sure that they fit. So, and just a little bit of journaling here and there. In spots that didn't have journaling, I used some of these stickers. And yeah, so that is, and I used some of my Happy Planner kits that I got. The kit's not it's not a Happy Planner, but it was Charlotte Designs. And where else? Who else did I get it from? I think these were apricot. Yeah, these were apricot planting trees. And I just thought that this was perfect. I mean, it's still winter, and it was a snow day, so that's me all bundled up. I had to go out. And this one I actually used one of the papers for Mambi, the blank pages, the note paper actually, and I just punched it out using that punch. So yeah, so this is really cool. My anniversary, and as you can see, some stickers again from that planning, apricot tree planning. Is it apricot planning tree? Excuse me, sorry. Oh my goodness. So yeah, so this is all of the stuff. My anniversary was the 8th. Added some more journaling, and this is my birthday cake, and this is a view from the Mall and Queens. Yeah, I gotta take a picture of the front one of these days. It's a really pretty wall. And so that's basically it. This is like one of the pictures in the back, one of the pages in the back. So I just put it in between, since my birthday's here. I kind of was like, okay, and then so just like I said, all the pictures. And this, oh my goodness, I forgot the name of the seller, so I'll put a caption. And You're So Loved, and this is the bakery that we go to. So yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna put any journaling up there. So, and as you can see, no photos here. Couldn't sleep. just little things like that. No photos here, and this is the day that I was in a funk and adulting was hard and all that good stuff, and David made this awesome dinner. So, and we continue with the next month. I gotta put some journaling here. I didn't want to put it in the back. I put it in the front. So this was the 21st. We had some friends come out of town. You know, they had a death in the family. So I mean, it was bittersweet to see them. You know, but yeah. So I took the best, and I want to thank Debbie and Dex and Acacia and Day and Deshawn, who turns 18. Happy birthday, Deshawn. And so yeah, so thank you for taking the pictures with us. So yeah, so that's what I did there, and then just a picture of my cat, some YouTube stuff. I want to thank all my viewers. No pictures here. This is when I got my nails done, not these, but another pair before them. Actually, these were the acrylic with the gel nail polish, so that was the first time I went there. Did that, and then this is the pictures that more of the pictures that we took there. And so yeah, so this is what I'm saying. Like, I just use some stickers every now and again, and so yeah, so as you can see, this is when I got my kits. Nothing here. Second, the Diane and Co. unbox, and nothing here. And so this is end of January. I mean, yeah, so, and then my son's turning, you know, want to get a snapshot, but I actually forgot that I want to put a snapshot here. What I'm going to do is I probably will get a picture, this one, make it bigger, like, so you can see his face a little bit better. And yeah, so this is the end of the month. Sticker, a large sticker from, I think this is, oh yeah, this is Exquisite Soul, and I'll put everything down below in the description. And I didn't take a lot of pictures the day of my birthday, so what I did was I thought that it was appropriate, since this is a spread for Capricorn. These are some of the stickers that I didn't use for my classic planner because they were too big, and I still have a couple more. So yeah, so I was like, you know what, this is awesome, this would be perfect. And yeah, so I'm not gonna keep you guys too long. So, you know, that was December and January. I will give you February once I'm finished, and I'm super excited. I really like this. I think that this is, I wouldn't say better than, but it's just a lot more fun, and I find it a little easier for me, and so that's basically it. I mean, because I do like my my project life, but I haven't been keeping up on it. I kind of think I may use some of the stuff in here, and just finish up the album that I was working on if I feel like it. Just maybe use some of the stuff in here, and yeah, so I can't wait to get the new one that I've been having my eye on. It's the one with the camera. You guys know which one I'm talking about. So yeah, so that's it. So thank you for watching. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them down below, or you can always email me. My email address is eileen@eileenlittlecrafter.com, and don't forget to like, and if you would like to see more from me, please don't forget to subscribe. Have a good one, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.